Hi there, and welcome to Whimsy Stamps. I'm Lisa, and today I'll be sharing a quick peek at the March 1st release, which is available for purchase in the Whimsy Stamps online shop. So, the first stamp set we're going to have a look at Hoppy Easter. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set. These Easter bunnies are absolutely adorable. I especially love this little guy on his roller skate tossing Easter eggs about. Now, the two bunnies in the cup, you could use those anytime throughout the year. Pair it with a tea or coffee sentiment. That would be super cute. Here we have the Big Wishes Dandelion 4x6 clear stamp set. Now, I found the dandelion image large enough to fit nicely on an A2 card panel. There are 6 additional stamps that are great for adding layers, and then we have that one large sentiment. Here we have the Babies from Above stamp set, another 4x6 clear stamp set. In this set, you have 4 separate images. You do have a total of 6 babies. The image that shows the 3 smaller babies with the rain is one stamp, but you could use them individually with some masking or fussy cutting. Now, I really like the font in this set. It's small but so sweet. Above the eyes and the words little and cutie are tiny hearts. It's such a sweet touch. So we're moving into the last stamp set in the release, Hey Chickadee 4x6 clear stamp set and coordinating outline dies. Now the dies are sold separately, and the die set has dies for all the images in the stamp set. The stamp set includes 9 words that are great for creating your own sentiments. Now, I adore the whimsical feel of this set, and the birdhouses are truly unique compared to other sets I've seen. So we have 2 new die sets I'm introducing in the release. First up, the Mini Slim Notch die set. This set includes 6 nesting dies with straight cut lines. These are sized for mini slimline cards. Now the largest die in the set is 3¼ inches wide at the widest points and 6¼ inches high. Now this die set is going to give you perfect layers for this next set, the Mini Slim Notched Stitched die set. It comes with 5 nesting dies that have straight cut lines and embossed stitching detail. And the largest die in that set is 3 inches wide at the widest point and 6 inches high, bringing us to something I am so excited about, Whimsy Stamps Hot Foil Plates. This is the Mini Slim Notched Hot Foil Plates. Hot foiling is very popular, and it's a great way to add a gorgeous metallic shine to any project. The new Mini Slim Notched Hot Foil Plates were made to be used on their own or with Whimsy's new Mini Slim Notch die set. Now, if you want to learn more about this new product line, join me over on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I have a video linked below. That's going to bring us to the last product in this release, the 6x9 It's Raining stencil. Now, when you get this stencil, you'll know the front of the stencil because along the lower edge, you'll see whimsystamps.com, the name of the stencil, and the item number. Now, this is going to go great with so many of the newly released products. Plus, it's going to go great with some of our previously released products. Now, before you go, I have a few samples using some of the products from the new release. Here, I use the new Hey Chickadee stamps and outline dies. I've used the new Slimline Notch dies and hot foil plates paired with a few previously released products, the Floral Impression 6x6 paper pad and Friend and Word shadow die. The new Hey Chickadee stamps and outline dies along with the Mini Slim Notch dies and hot foil plates to create a sweet mini slimline card. And that's going to bring us to the end of this release. Let me know what you are most excited for in the comments below. Don't forget to join me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. As always, until next time, please take care.